Hey guys, today I will be unboxing a new Barbie dishwashing set with a mini bonus Barbie blind bag. I actually found this at a Walmart and it's plastic instead of a box. And I only got this for 90 cents, which was so exciting. Even though there's only one accessory, it's still pretty cool. Maybe there's two, if we get lucky. Maybe they put another one inside. Who knows? So, I got this at the Walmart also. So, it's like a dishwashing set. It comes with a dishwasher, dishes, cups, silverware, towel, even some soap. And I think that's either laundry soap. It doesn't match with the theme, so it's probably dish soap. But I guess it would make good laundry soap. And then we have a dish holder, which you could just put that on there, and it will stand. So I'm so excited to open it. And as you can see, there's like a little plastic thing that you can put your plates in. I was so excited to find this only at the price of $5. Anyways, let's just open it. So it's kind of cute, but we're gonna have to hear that. Did I notice there's a little background? Even the floor. That's really cute, but we're not going to use the background. Probably going to get teared up that way. There's the little tears. Could probably still use it, but anyway. We have this. We have lots of stuff. First, we have the main thing, which is the dishwasher and sink. So it comes with this little basket that I think you can pull out. Yes, there's a little tape in there. And you could put the tray back in. That's really exciting. And there's also a little shelf, a sink, and these little peg things that you can put cups in. Or plates. Most doll accessories have these little things inside them. So you could just put that right there, and it won't fall. Next, we have the pink cups. They're like a milkshake cup, and I really love this color pink. Next, we have the plates, which they are purple, and they're really cute. I mean, I have the same exact plates, but I really love this kind of style of plate. It's like real life, but it's purple. And then next we have this. It's a dish holder, which we can test out with the rest of the plates. So we can put that right there. And it works. It works like a real dish holder. Now we have another plate. It can hold two, but it can't hold this. You're supposed to put the cups on here. Anyways, this dishwasher set is amazing. Remember, I'm reviewing it, so at the end, I'll give it a number. And then we have the soap, which we can pop out. Here, we have, we can also put the cups in the sink. We have laundry soap or dish soap, and we have hand soap or shampoo. You can be creative with the accessories. And there's also a little peg here that you can put on. And then there's also a little peg here that you can put the laundry soap on or dish soap. Doesn't really matter what you call it. Remember, you can get creative. It's a little hard to put that in. Anyway, we have the towel, tape on it. Put that away. And it's really nice. You could put it here. Let's try to put it there. It ain't that cool to put this in there. It's gonna take a while. Yeah, and it kind of just slides in there, so I recommend just pulling it out first. Whoop. Looks like an earthquake happened. Anyway, we also have tons of silverware. Wow, that was satisfying. So anyways, the silverware is just resting on the tape without falling. Look at that. So we have 4 spoons, 4 forks, and 4 butter knives. And it looks like they're floating because the tape is clear. Wow, so cool. Anyway, we have a spoon to scoop you up. And then we have a fork. Yo. And then we have the butter knife, which you can spread. Whoop, it fell. And it's kind of neat how they put this with detail. It's really cool. Anyways, we're just going to end it now. But what if we put the plates in the dishwasher? Whoop. It works that way too. And we could put the cup in there. Silverware. So it's really cool. I really like this set. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Mostly the only problem I have is that the sink is supposed to have a pipe. And the pipes, where the pipe is supposed to be, is the dishwasher. So that doesn't make no sense, but it's a really nice dishwasher set. I mean, it's really cool. And nobody could notice that much. Anyways, here's a tour. It's so amazing. Now we have this. One of my favorite parts. It's sport themed. So we're going to get something that's sport. Wow, it's a bag. And it has the letter B on it. It's pink. It's really cool. And here's the ones that you can collect. You can collect a baseball bag, this bag, looks like a basketball bag. This has a Malibu hat with a phone and bracelets. The baseball bag came with a watch, I think. This one has a watch. Fanny pack, sunglasses, just a regular bag like this. It's bigger. And fanny pack, and another hat. I wonder if you could put stuff in there. No, it's just really cute. For sports and anything you can do. It's not really a ball theme. It can be sports. You can put money in it too. Well, not in real life, but if they're going shopping, they need their money, so they can just bring this. Anyways, this is, I love it. It's worth the price, so it's a 9 out of 10 also. I just wish, I'm kind of getting greedy here, but since most of them have 2 accessories or 3, I wish this had an accessory. Oop. Anyways, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.